Hi guys, in this lecture I will explain how you can create this product in FreeCAD. This is a keyboard stand and it has different parts. This is a stand, and this is a mouse pad, this is a cup holder, and this is a utility tray. You can put calculator, scale, measurement tape, vernier caliper, or any other small gadgets on this tray. If you need the reference pictures of this product, the link is given in the description and you can download the reference images from Amazon. First, I will open a FreeCAD and then import a picture. File, import, picture, open. The picture is uploaded. Now I will move the picture to the x-axis, click on the picture, go to the placement and increase the value of x. I will add the value to 250. Okay. Now I will create a new body and new sketch, and I will choose the plane XY plane because I will start from this base. If you look at the reference picture, you can see that this is an symmetric object. If we create one part of the picture, one part of the reference picture, then we can mirror it and the whole product will be completed. So first I will create a rectangle to the one side of the plane. I will give it the value to the 150 millimeter, 150 length, and the width will be 120. Okay, now I will click this vertex and this vertex and click on the middle axis by holding control key. Then I will press symmetric constraints. The distance from this point and this point will be equal from the middle axis. I will close the sketch. I will give it some padding. I will click on the sketch, pad, and give the value to the 10 millimeter. Okay, the value is added to the sketch. Now I want to create this support for the keyboard. This support is attached to the base. I will select this and click on the sketch. Before creating a rectangle, first we will create external geometry. Click on the external geometry. Then I will click on this and this. Now I will create a rectangle and up to this. I will keep 1 millimeter distance from this point because I will create a pocket here for adjustment of the mouse pad. The width of this rectangle should be around about 5 millimeter. Close it. Now I will add some padding. First I will select the sketch and click on the pad and 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter will be fine. Now I will create the back part of the product, but I will create this part on the base. Go to the FreeCAD. Now I will click on this face, create new sketch, and I will create another rectangle edge here and will extrude that rectangle or add padding to that rectangle. Now first I will create an external geometry for the alignment. External geometry. Now I will add the rectangle. The length of the rectangle, I think 30 millimeter will be fine. And the width, I think 10 millimeter will be fine. I will close it. Now I will add some padding to the sketch. First I will select the sketch, click on the pad, and the padding must be almost 50 millimeter, and you can set any padding that you want. Now you can see that this part has been created. Now I will create these supports. For creating these supports, I will go to the left side by pressing 6. I will create a new sketch, create sketch, and YZ plane. The sketch we create on YZ plane can be seen from right side or left side. So I will go to the left side by pressing 6. Now I will create some external geometries. Now I will take a polyline tool, click on here, click on here, click on here, and click on here. Right click. Now I'll set the height 15. These 2 points are not connected with each other. I will go to the left side, move a little bit, select this point, and we'll drag to downwards. When it comes closer, I will select this one and this one and click on constant constraints. Now I will set the width 15. Close the sketch. Now I add some padding. Click on the sketch, go to the pad, and I will add the padding to the of 10 millimeters. Now I want to move this support to the right side. I will select the sketch, go to the attachment, Z position. I will set the value as 10. Now the supports have been moved. Now I will create these small holes for screws. Now I will go to the front view by pressing 1, and I have to create holes on here, so I will select this face and create sketch. First I will create some external geometries. Click on here, click on here. Now I will make a circle here and another circle here. First I will select these circles, click on equal to make them equal. I will set the diameter of the circle to 5 millimeter. Now I will select this point and this point and will apply vertical constraint. By applying vertical constraints, these two circles will be aligned vertically. Now I will set some distance between this point and this point. I will click on this one, click on this one, and 30. Okay. Now I can move them together by applying a distance between them. Now I will set the vertical distance between this point and this point, and it must be 5 millimeter. I think it should be 5. If I want to change this distance, I will double click on this one and I will add. I think this will be fine. Now I will add horizontal distance between this point and this point. First I will select this one, and I will set to the 5 millimeter. I think 5 millimeter will be very low. I will double click on this and I will do it 10. I think this will be fine. I will close the sketch, click on sketch, go to the pockets, and dimensions through all mean circles will be created here. Now I will create these small holes for attachment of mouse pad. First I will select this face, create sketch, first I will create some external geometries, then I will create a rectangle. Right click, I will select this point and this point considering constraints. Now I will set the length, I think 12 centimeter. Okay. close. I will add some pockets here. Click the sketch, pocket, and 5 mm. Okay. A step has been created here. I will go to the top view by pressing. Now I will select this face, create sketch. First I will add some external geometries for alignments. Click on this one, and this one. Select the circle, one here and one here. First select the circles and make them equal. Set the diameter, 5. Make them vertically aligned. Now make them symmetric. Click on here, click on this point and select the middle sketch and click on symmetric. Now I'll set the horizontal distance from this point to this point, and this must be 6 millimeter, because we set the length of this rectangle 12 millimeter. 6. Now I will set the distance from this point, I think it must be 70 millimeter. Close. Select this sketch, pocket, and through all. Okay. Now circles have been created. One side has been completed. Now it's time to mirror it and complete the object. First, I will click on first operation. Then I will click on the last operation by holding shift. In this way, all the operations will be selected. Now I will click on mirror. And I will choose the axis. I think vertical axis should be fine. And click OK. Now I will apply some fillet and chamfers. Before applying fillet, first I will remove unnecessary lines from the object. First I will click on mirror, refine, true. All unnecessary lines has been removed. For making corner rounds, I will apply fillet on it. First I will select the corner, then click on fillet. I will add the value to 5. This corner has been rounded. Now I will add fillet to this corner. I will click on select. This corner has been added. I will change the value. The fillet will be applied to this corner. Okay. Now I will apply the fillet on this corner. I will click on the corner, click on fillet, and I will keep the value 10 mm. Now I will click on this. I want to apply same fillet on here, so I will double click on fillet, select, and will add this corner. Change the value. The fillet will be applied. Click on OK. Now I will apply some chamfer on circles. First I will select one circle, then click on chamfer. 1 millimeter. Now I will select other circles. Select, click on this circle, then this circle, this circle, this circle, this circle, and this circle, and I will change the value to 2 mm. Now the fillet has been applied. Click on OK. Now I will add this middle circle at here. I will click on this face, create new sketch. First, I will create external geometry. Click on external geometry, click on here, click on here, click on here, and click on here. Select circle, and I will click on circle. I will add diameter constraint to the circle. Click on the circle, go to the diameter, and this should be, I think 45 will be fine. Close the sketch, select the sketch, apply pocket. Dimension through all the hole will be created. Okay. If we look at the reference, this part has been completed. In next part, I will create cup holder, mouse pad, some bolts and nuts for holding mouse pad and cup holder to the base. Please stay tuned with me. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.